Hello my friends, welcome. Today the sun is shining. This is a good reason for making a barbecue, and today I will show you how to make a fire with wood. Pay attention if you're doing a fire with wood and you want to use it for a barbecue. You need to start 2 hours in advance. For this reason, the wood coal is an advantage because it's a little bit quicker. Half an hour should suffice. One important thing about fire, whatever type it is, be very careful about children around because it can be dangerous for them. A very useful tool for making fire with wood, it is this pelle. I don't know how you say it in English. This is very useful because it's easier for moving the bûche. For making the fire, we'll need a lighter. You can also take matches. We'll need some newspaper. This here is a little wood for starting the fire, which is coming from the garden. In case you don't have any, you can use also these little starter wood you can buy in retail. You will also need some bigger wood. We call this bûche. I don't remember now the name in English, sorry for that. And it can be useful to have some paperboard. This will be for putting some air into the fire. And this, by the way, is the draft of my video about the electricity fundamentals. And of course, also always nice to have a nice fireplace. The first thing we'll do is that we will display the starting things, meaning we will take the newspaper out of which we will make some balls. Then we put small little wood on side. This will enable to start the fire. For this demonstration, I will use half of the starter fire that I bought in the retail, especially for you, and the other half with my small little wood from the garden. So you saw that I made a little tipi, always the good Indian approach. So let's go. And we're adding, at least for the start, still some additional small wood with a certain attention. By the way, this skin of wood is excellent for starting fire. Once we have reached the critical mass of this starting fire, we can put the bûche. When you see that it's working well, you can add up some additional bush. Some words about the quantity of wood you need. Of course, it depends on the volume of food you want to grill. But let's say that if you are 5-6 persons, if you are if you're putting 10 logs in the fireplace, this should be enough. Now, my friends, it's almost ready. We just have to wait that the big piece is totally consumed. This is the end of the first part of this video about how to make a barbecue. In the second part, we will see how to clean in a very efficient and ecological way the grill, as well as seeing live how I make a barbecue today. See you in a minute.